Let's bring in Craig Bolanos, the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group now for more on long-term investing. Craig, what's your common sense on where you think are smart places to invest?
Well, Angela, innovation is the most powerful force in the economy today. With product adoption happening faster than ever, courtesy of the digital revolution, it's important that investors consider placing some of their investments into those areas where disruption can occur. And we refer to these trends as enduring themes. The first enduring theme is what I call the Internet of Things. It's the explosion of connected devices creating what we call IoT. And it's more than just devices talking to each other. That's already happening. It's about devices communicating to one another, leading to a discernible action. I'm not sure that I'm ever going to have my refrigerator linked to my PayPal account, linked to America's largest grocery store, Walmart, to auto-deliver me milk once my 1-gallon jug starts running low. But the technology's already here, and I think some people will. Number two, digital payments. It's everywhere. I'm not talking cryptocurrency, just digital payments. I thought I was cool back in the day when I actually had a microchip in my credit card. Then I was able to wave my microchip at the cash register. But now think about it. Every time you get in line at the grocery store, everyone's simply paying with their iPhone. You know what that means. Digital payments are here to stay. Number three on my list would be AI, artificial intelligence. Yes, it might feel like the Terminator in 1984 retro, but the truth is this artificial intelligence today has gotten so good that AI now composes text messages, emails, audio at a level that might be sufficient to actually fool some of us mere humans as to whether we're having a synthesized communication or one that's authentic. And last but not least, when we talk about enduring themes, I think about genomics. All of the genetic analytics, what I call the manipulation, and increasingly, we're getting to a point with concepts like messenger RNA that we can literally be turning on, or maybe more importantly, turning off certain receptors at the cellular level that are going to make us less likely to experience things. Type 2 diabetes, other items, that stuff is coming. That's what I mean by putting a portion of your capital in some enduring themes.
What else should investors know?
Well, while it's incredibly important to identify long-term secular trends, allocate a portion of our capital, and not get shaken out of the investment, we got to hang on for the ride. We need to pair that with something. Investors always need to make sure that when they're investing portions of their capital in items like the enduring themes we discussed, it needs to be done within the risk budget, and the development of that risk budget is just through the framework of the financial plan. And we have to go even further. I would argue for everybody, creating the right structure, aka the right tax structure when making these investments, is always going to move the needle towards what we strive for, which is optimal. Because after all, your single biggest expense in life, it's not the kids, it's not the mortgage, it's taxes. Make sure your investments reflect that discipline. And at the end of the day, if long-term wealth building is really the goal, to create capital, investing in innovation, working within those disruptive industries, that's a solid step in the right direction. I'm Craig Bolanos, the CEO and founder of Wealth Management Group. And if you want to learn more, you can. Go out to our website, investwithwmg.com.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.